Hi friends, this is Loli. For today's project, I'll be using one of the long signs from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to flip it on this back, and I'm going to cover the holes using some lightweight spackle. Then I took some of this Rust-Oleum chalk paint in the color chiffon cream, and I'm going to completely cover the surface. First, I want to make sure that I sanded down the area that I covered with spackle, and I'm going to finish off painting it as well. Using my Cricut, I cut the word bienvenidos, is welcome in Spanish, and I'm going to burnish it down to the surface. I then took some Mod Podge and covered the entire surface to seal in the paint and the decal. The sign was bowing a little, so I just used this craft stick or paint stick to help me level it out. Now it's time to embellish it, so I took some of this buffalo check ribbon that I got from Joann Fabrics, and I'm just going to glue it to the sides of the sign, and I just make sure that the checks were straight. I repeated that process on the other side as well. Then I took some of this greenery or flower pick from the Dollar Tree, and I cut two of the stems off. I removed one of the leaves of one of the picks, and now I'm using some hot glue to wrap some jute cord around the entire stems. I added some more hot glue midway, clip the little excess of the stem there, and glue the end of the jute cord. I took some hot glue and added it to the ribbon and placed the stem down. Then I made a jute cord bow by just wrapping the jute cord around my hand a couple times and cinching it in the middle, leaving two tails exposed, and then tying the middle with some more jute cord. I cut off the ends of the jute cord and glued my bow onto the stem of the flowers. Using my lighter, I burned off any straggly ends on the jute cord, making sure not to burn my flowers. Then I flipped the sign over to work on a hanger. I took some of this buffalo check ribbon and glued it on the back in the level in which I wanted the hangers to be. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Then I twisted the ribbon onto itself, creating a loop. I'm gonna cut the excess, unravel the end of the ribbon so it can lay flat, and glue the other end down. Then I repeated the same process with the other side. Covered my back with some craft paper, and here is the finished product. I love it. Made it for my aunt, she loved it too. Guys, thank you as always for watching. Be blessed, be a blessing, and craft responsibly. If you'd like to follow me on social media, here are my links. Again, thank you so much. Have a great day.